Definition of the word.
Factory.
Adjective.
Having come from the factory in the state it is currently in. Original, stock.
Example.
See how there's another layer of metal there? That's not factory.
Noun.
The position or state of being a factor. From 16th c. A trading establishment, especially set up by merchants working in a foreign country. From 16th c. A building or other place where manufacturing takes place. From 17th c.
Example.
History has shown that without cheap labor, factories run perfectly well. A police station. From 19th c. A device which produces or manufactures something. A factory farm.
Example.
Chicken factory, pig factory. In a computer program or library, a function, method, etc. which creates an object.
Factory. Factory.
Factory. Factory.
Factory. Factory.
Factory. Factory.